and tourist Jamaica. Today it's Mandeville street foods and I can't wait to yam some food when we outside again. Outside, 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 outside. So come make we yam some fun. When it comes to street food, Jamaican street food, the bus park is one of the best places to go because it's the place where people need to get something to eat before they start their long journey, whether to Kingston, Montego Bay, or all over the island. So that is why we chose this spot to showcase some of the best street foods in Jamaica. And we're going to start off with some nice Jamaican patty. Juicy Beef Patties is one of the best patty shops in the island, and it's always best to get it fresh. Right now, I'm so excited to taste this because even though you eat a patty like around 1,000 times, it still tastes good every time. What is a patty though? A patty is a Jamaican version to a cocktail pie. It's an individual serving of a vegetable or meat pie. Yes, just like this. So I take out the patty and I look at it and it turned backwards. To fix it, the front of the patty must be at the front of the bag. Alright, so let's go in for a bite. Alright, the first bite you get the crust. So you need to push up all of that beef. Yes, oh yes. Oh, ready for the next one. Yes. Now we have, yes, you see it? Yeah, now we have a good thing. And it's hot. Ow! You taste the scallion, the onion, the seasoning, everything, and it's just perfect. Yes. A taste of childhood. Alright, so let's move on. We're not wasting no time. Time for some jerk chicken. So we're here today with Metric. He's our jerk chicken man. And everybody knows that jerk chicken is one of the most popular street foods in Jamaica, and it is one of the best food in Jamaica. But what is jerk chicken really? Jerk chicken is like barbecue because it's done over raw natural flames. But the only difference with Jamaican jerk chicken is the seasoning that we use, and we use pimento and scotch bonnet pepper along with other ingredients, but those are the star ingredients. And it's done over pimento wood, roasted over pimento wood, grilled over pimento wood. Alright, so I cannot wait to taste this right now. And you know, say Metric, our jerk chicken man, fix you up good, give you some good portions. Alright, so let's go and taste this right now. I'll make you so out. COVID, I keep some sanitize. So, without any further ado, before the rain comes down, probably can't come over. Oh gosh, you ready? You ready for this? Take a leg. Ooh, fall off of the bone, people. Bumbo. Which one are we? Did want some of my jerk chicken. Make it jump out of my mouth. Have a hint of pepper, but it's not like a tip where it's too spicy. It's tender, it's well done, you fall off the bone. I have left some for my husband, but I left the leg for him. This jerk chicken is perfectly seasoned. It's not over seasoned, it's not under seasoned, it's just perfect. So we walked around the block to see what else we could find to eat, and I was looking for a hot cup of soup. Usually before I eat anything, I love to drink a hot cup of soup. So we came across this restaurant on Fridays, so let's have a go.
It is Fridays, one popular food little spot where enough man love come and just drink a little beer and name a little food. As a child growing up, I didn't know the little food spot here, but I never tried it. But now I can try it. You know what I mean? Ready for them some more food. My belly's still not full. We're going. Let's go inside. Are you still out of food?
Yeah.
Guess what? They were out of soup. I know, right? Beck stotee. So the chef recommended me to walk around the corner where I could get some soup. So let's go.
I think I right around the corner also.
Typical Jamaican restaurant to be out of something. But luckily, we have some soup. A soup man right around the corner. Pause. But things that the man I tried tell me say that he had two soup. Like he had a corn soup and then him have like a no meat, a vegetarian soup. When I tried tell me say he only have one soup and it is a vegetarian corn soup that doesn't have any meat in it. Okay.
Alright, so in most Jamaican culture, you have a soup man for each corner street. You just sell soup.
Why am I looking at pot there?
My man run your own time pot. You usually buy food for the money. Always tastes good. You can't remember. Oh, yeah.
You drink this now, data?
Yeah, man. How much is your fee?
150.
150. So we can call it soupy?
Just like typical Jamaican ones, they cook soup, they call it soupy.
Ah, soupy. So let's give this soup a try. This is corn, no meat. I love soup bad. So I'm going to cook. I put up myself. I have to be careful. So we're in the corn. All red cheese. Nice. What's the gas? Not peppery. Perfect. Soup man, I go on with things. Smoke one with things. Yes. See there? I get healings right now from a cup of soup. Yes, thank you, Jesus. So soup man, the right so I need the plaza. You can come and support me, you know what I mean? That cup of soup before you have a lunch.
Yes, man. So this nice warm soup really just get my chest, my stomach ready to taste some nice Jamaican cooked food. So we went back to the same restaurant around the corner named Fridays. But unfortunately, the food wasn't ready. But guess what? We met up into Mr. Morgan.
$100 a package. These are coconut drops. See? These are coconut drops. And these are these light salty.
Okay.
Yeah.
So buy one peanut, how much is peanut?
$100 a package.
Buy one peanut.
Yeah, fine.
How long you from Mandeville town now?
You know, I'm there about a whole of years, like all 20 odd years going down.
Yeah, man.
And still trying to make the best of what I can. Yeah, cause people them like it, you know. Yeah.
From me, a little picnic, me see yourself.
Which school you used to go when you?
Mandeville Primary.
Very, yes. That's how much it is. That's one of the peanut cake.
Yeah, my mom, my husband like it.
Okay. Sure no.
Yeah, man.
Bless love.
What your name be, Peanut?
Eh?
What your name be, Nutty?
Yes, well, I'm Mr. Morgan, you know.
Mr. Morgan.
So you don't know every day in the street going struggling. But life goes on, so we just have to do it like this and make a dollar, you know. Yeah, so we give our thanks.
Honestly, being.
Yeah. See, so far I wish you all God bless and a long life, man. And tell me, you're impressed, just, yeah. And the kids then, did I bring them with you?
I will left one yard.
Yeah, so I just prosperity and long life, man.
Respect,
I've been trying a long life journey. Loving it, just the way.
Bless up, man. Blessings and respect.
Wondering what I just bought. It's basically an authentic Jamaican street snack or street candy. It can be like a peanut brittle or salted peanut.
Whenever you're at the bus park and then I bus away, you always buy from the nuts man. The peanuts, great cake, anything. Just like childhood.
Okay, so taste. You're probably wondering how she tastes or how she looks, so no worry, man, it tastes good. So this just tastes like the regular Jamaican candy snacks. It has the ginger in it, the vanilla, you're getting all those hints of spices. And it looks beautiful. Some persons, they shave off the skin of the peanuts, while some don't. But give Mr. Morgan a try.
We have waited over 30 minutes for the rice and peas to done cook. Sorry for the background noise. It's finally done cook. And we're going to go now and get our food. Right?
Yes, people, finally I can order some food. Alright, so we ordered fried chicken, a small lunch, and it cost $500. And this is the menu with all the food options. Them have fully things, and they operate from this little restaurant. That's where the magic happens, and this is the environment. Yes, as we said, people have come out and hang out here and have a little food in a little corner, eating in a little corner. Yeah, and you feel the music, you start doing.
No, man.
Yes. So let's have a looky. Wow, this nobody look nice, man. Yes, for $500. Yes, man, this look good. Yes, we can't wait to taste this.
So guys, we're going to do the taste test. You know we are waiting over 30 minutes for the food, so it has to taste good. Yeah. Alright, so what we're going to taste first, we're going to taste the rice. Look at that. It's tasty. It's like them throw sugar in the rice. Why not put Jesus? No, me know what the food is done.
Alright, time to taste this fried chicken. I ain't waiting no longer. Man, this is looks so good. Yes, let me get a taste. Oh yes. Oh yes.
Well, we're going to do a dance to the food, your part tastes good. So we're going to do a dance right now. Jamaican cooking done good. Nice. I'll go home now and finish the rest.